रोशनी रोशनी उम्मीद है तामीर।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my dear students. My learners, today we have exercise work, detailed questions of unit number 2, transport of nutrients. Question number 2, answer the following questions in detail. First one is explain the structure and function of the heart. Heart. Dear students, the heart is the major organ in the circulatory system, and its function is to pump blood at regular intervals at specific time, causing it to move throughout the body. The pumping of the heart produces the heartbeat, and the heart of an adult person beats around 72 times in a minute. The heartbeat can be measured by placing fingers at the wrist or neck. Wrist mean kalai. The throbbing mean dhadakna. The throbbing you feel is called the pulse. Now, structure of the heart. Look at the picture. The heart is a cone-shaped hollow mean kokla. It is a muscular organ about the size of a fist, which is made of special muscle, and that special muscles are called the cardiac muscles. It consists of 4 chambers, 2 on each sides, that is left and right. My learners, the upper 2 chambers are called arteria. Arteria is a plural word and its singular is atrium. That is left atrium and right atrium. The lower 2 chambers are called ventricles. That is left ventricle and right ventricles. Arteria are smaller in size than ventricles. The right side of the heart delivers the blood to the lungs, where the left side of the heart supplies the blood to the different parts of the body. Right-sided chambers are separated from left-sided chambers through a thin wall, and that thin wall are called septum. Right-sided chambers are separated from the left-sided chambers through a thin wall, and that thin wall is called septum. Septum is used to prevent the mixing of blood. Walls connect the arteria with the ventricles and prevent the backward flow of blood during pumping. My learners, the wall which is present between the right atrium and the right ventricle is called tricuspid wall, and the wall which connect the left atrium and left ventricle with each other is called bicuspid wall. So it was all about the structure and functioning of heart. Question number 2. Why are the heart problems on the rise nowadays? Answer is, heart problems are rise nowadays as due to poor lifestyle choices such as lack of exercise, means having no exercise, and also due to bad diet. The answer is, heart problems are rise nowadays as due to poor lifestyle choices such as lack of exercise and also bad diet. Question number 3 is, why does the heart rate change while we are resting and during exercise? The answer is, heart is continuously beating to keep the blood circulating throughout the body. The heart is beating all the time to keep the blood transporting throughout the body. Its rate changes depending on its activities, means it's slower while you are asleep and at rest, and the heart rate is higher while doing exercise to supply muscles with enough oxygenated blood, to supply muscle with blood containing higher amount of oxygen. Question number 4 is, explain the function of stomata in a gaseous exchange. Answer is, role of stomata in exchange of gases. My learners, plants need oxygen and carbon dioxide. Oxygen O2 and carbon dioxide CO2 for the process of respiration and photosynthesis respectively. Moreover, oxygen is released as a byproduct. Moreover, oxygen is released as a result of photosynthesis into the atmosphere and carbon dioxide during the process of respiration. These gases mean oxygen and carbon dioxide move into and out of the plant body through the small openings present in leaves, and that small openings are called stomata, which is present in leaves. Stomata is a plural word and its singular is stoma. Stomata also remove excess water from the plants. My learners, learn these detailed questions and also write it on your neat notebook, neat and clean. Stay safe, stay blessed, take care and Khuda Hafiz.